It smells like a crotch. Are you a Cummins or a Powerstroker? This is very suspicious. Yeah, she's missing some pieces. All right. Hey everyone, Mike, your Wrench Mike. We are back at my favorite place on earth. This is Copart here in Tulsa, and I have made my way to Truck Town. That's what I call this part of the yard, because they have semis, regular pickups, dualies, king cabs, Ram 2500, Ram 3500, Ford F250, F350, everything that you could imagine. And so I'm going to poke around and see if there is a truck here that I might be interested in. Yes, this video is all about a manly truck. We're starting off with a big one. Yeah, 2019 Ram 2500 with the Cummins turbo diesel engine, the ultimate tow vehicle. I don't want to call it a tow pig. I don't want to piss off anybody. This would tow anything that I could put behind it. And I say that over and over, but this thing absolutely could. I will have to get, or you will have to get, some tires if you're interested in this right here. But this is a good looking truck. I do like the fronts of these. I do, I really do. The damage, it's an easy fix in my opinion, okay? So here it is. You'll need a fender, you'll need a light. If this is gonna bother you, you can get a bumper and a tire. Everything else I think is fixable. It ran into something kind of dirty, so there are some scratches here. If you want it to be absolutely perfect, well, you need to replace that door, get some PDR and some paint right here. This is gonna be fun to pull out, and right there. But once you get that done, well, okay, maybe there's more damage than I thought. We got some scratching right here, and this seems to be out a little bit. But other than that, other than those few things, this would be a great, oh, it's the Bighorn edition, 4x4, absolutely. So she is loaded, yes. Let's see what she looks like here. You got your cloth seats. Oh, it smells like a crotch. I hate to say that. And don't ask me any more about that. I'm not going to use that term anymore, but it does smell. There's a funky smell going on. This is a, okay, well, so we have some airbags that have gone off. We got that one right there. We've got this one right here. This is very suspicious, or sus, as the kids would say. There's not a biohazard sticker on this thing, but that could be, you know, yeah, I don't know. It's just, ugh, it's gross. But as you can see, we have power. So let's see what she's gonna do. Put on the brake, push to start. 2500. Diesel preheat in process, please wait. Come on, glow plugs. Service airbag system. Look at your tire pressure right there, 63. 62,000 miles, so she was used. Oh yeah, we have an oil change sticker at 58,882 on 12 of 18. So she's gone 4,000 miles since December. But she sounds good. She really does sound good. We got almost a full tank of diesel fuel. We've got, how do you get mud up here? I hope this is mud. I don't know what else that could be. Maybe this is something that's contributing to the smell. But this is a nice truck. Oh my gosh, here we go. So we do have the backup system right there. I'm not going anywhere because of the flat tire, but she goes into gear great. She really does. See, and this looks kind of suspicious right there too. I don't know what was going on when this was involved in an accident. Let me fix this. See, that could go back in. There we go. See, we're fixing things. Let's pop the hood and listen to that Cummins, because she sounds great. She really does. And there it is, 6.7 liter turbo diesel. Check your fluids. This doesn't look bad at all right there. Your brake fluid, power steering, windshield washer fluid. Listen how rock solid that engine is. Someday I am going to own a Cummins turbo diesel. Someday. I just don't know if today's the day. I couldn't afford this truck, I'll tell you that right now. This is still going to go for a lot of money because it's a beautiful truck and it's a very easy fix. So there you go. I like it. This wouldn't scare me. I'd drive it home like this and probably drive it around for a while without fixing anything until I found this same color in a junkyard. A light that you're going to find those anywhere. The bumper I probably wouldn't even fix. I'd just get behind here and get a little hammer, tap that out, make it perfect again. Yeah, this would be a great vehicle. This would really be nice. I don't know why. Well, maybe she hit some dirt because there's some rocks and everything right here on your step bar. And that does feel kind of loose as I step on it. And all the dirt right there. All right, there you go. I love this. Very, very nice. And of course, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch that at all. So we're going to skip the windows opening and closing. They were listening to Bluetooth, which is fine. Okay, so there you go. Let's move on and find us another truck. And let's give some equal time to a 2019, once again, Ford F250, 5 or 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. Well, are you a Cummins or a Powerstroker? That didn't sound right. That's not really what I meant. But which engine do you prefer? Similar damage. So you do need this. You need a headlight. You're going to have to find your bumper. I think it's probably going to be in the back of the truck. Yep. You have damage on this door right here. Some damage on that door. And then the bed of your truck. There's your front bumper. Oh, even the grill? You got a bunch of stuff right here. Well, that's a good sign. Okay. These tires, these Michelin tires have a lot of tread left. So these are better tires than we had on the Ram. Once again, this will tow anything. Damage on this side, there is none. Look at the size of the exhaust. When I'm driving my little midget, yeah, that's what I get to breathe because that's about where my head is when a big truck pulls up next to me. This is nice. Okay, similar back seats. This isn't cloth, this is the vinyl. This smells better. I wish we could close the top. Maybe we'll try. I don't know why that's open like that. But when it was received here at the lot, it was open. Maybe the guys tried to close it. Maybe it just doesn't work because of something going on up here. Is there any damage? I don't see any damage up here. We'll give it a try if she starts. I think she has power. But look at this. You're king of the road when you're driving a Powerstroke. With nice Michelin tires. And yes, there's power. Now it's going to be fun getting in because there's no little step bar. There's nowhere to go and put my foot. So I got to do the butt slide, and water is getting in everywhere. It rained really hard. We had some severe weather come through. Oh, and even my seat. Oh, wait a second. We can't do this. Engine start pending. There we go. Vehicle is on. The seat right here is a little damp, and so now is my bootylicious. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. How do we do this? Oh wait, look. How come it's not? Why are we doing this? Okay, I just want this to close. I want to leave this in better shape than when I saw it. Okay, so let's try this now. Here we go. No, come on. Maybe this isn't going all the way down. Nope, come on. It's getting caught on this thing right here. If I felt like I could hold this down, I would. Here we go. This is it. Nope, nope, nope. Come on, we had it. We had it. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there because now the rain will get caught in this little valley and it'll drain down through here like they're supposed to. So we fixed it. We can't go any further than that. So that's good. Now let's take a look at this without sitting on the seat. 71,000 miles, so it's very similar to the other one. But this is, wow. I like Ford. I'm sorry, I really do. We do have a check engine light on. That's unfortunate. What were they listening to? 105.3? Okay. Come on. Media. Audio. Okay, well that didn't work very well, did it? Okay. There we go, a little country as we sit in this truck. Nice, nice system. I do like the wood touches. And I like how the door goes down and you can see more of the road and the lowly people who are having to walk. Okay, once again, you get the 2-wheel high, 4-wheel high, and 4-wheel low. You get some good power ports right here. This is really uncomfortable. I don't want to sit on this. Ugh, but let's very quickly get out right here, open the hood, and take a look at this Powerstroke. Do you think these are a little quieter than the Cummins? Yes or no? Ugh. Wow, it looks a lot more complicated. It's got a lot more pipes going in and out of it. It's just as steady though. Something's unplugged right here. We've got a battery here, another battery over there. Coolant looks okay. Can you hear this? I don't like that sound. I don't like that at all. That's weird. Anyway, from the Ford family, F250 6.7 liter Powerstroke tow monster. I love it. I told you they had everything here. Yeah, so we have one from the GMC Chevrolet family. This is the 2500 HD Duramax Allison transmission Chevrolet truck that's missing a wheel. That's why she's kind of leaning over right here. Yeah, she's missing some pieces. All right, yeah, you can see how the lower control arm broke. Maybe the wheel and the axles in the back. I don't know. It's gonna be easy to get in. Yeah, there you go. There's your wheel. And you can see the parts that are broken. We have a seat cover, floor mats. That's the headlight over there. This was used to tow everything. See, even box trucks and semis, front half and back half. Wow, what happened here? Look at that. That is crazy. All right, let's jump in the Chevy, see what she sounds like. We have an issue here as well. So, I mean, the fix isn't that bad, really. Get yourself a new I don't know if the wheel's going to be okay. You definitely need a tire. This is probably out of round right here, and the parts beneath it, the tie rod, the control arm, all that kind of stuff you'll need. 4x4, all these are, so these have all competed against each other, all three of these vehicles. This has a ton of tread. All right, we're doing something just to see what's going to happen. We have power. So here we go. Come on, baby. There she is. I can't turn the steering wheel because I'm missing a whole wheel, but she runs good. Taking your eyes off the road too long could result in a crash. Okay, maybe that's what happened. We have a lot of lights on. Brake fluid is low. Service to Billitrack right here. What else? What else you got? That's it? Engine sounds good. Yeah. Okay. Well, ABS light is on. Tire pressure, ABS, check engine, all kinds of things are on. But engine-wise, yeah, she sounds real good. In fact, let me let you listen to her. Here's what she sounds like. That's what she looks like. The old Duramax 6.6 heavy duty. She sounds good. So, which begs the question, which would you rather? Are you a Chevy person? You like the Duramax? You like the Super Duty? You like the Cummins? Everybody has an opinion. Let me know what you think about these three trucks right here, because I need to learn more about them. I want to own something like this someday. Some big old truck. Yeah, and look at the size of this exhaust. That's crazy. All right. This has a Walmart oil change sticker showing date of 10/20 of 23 at 265,000 miles. So that's the next suggested service. So this has 3 times the amount of miles the other ones did. 3 times plus. And it looks like it. It really does. She was on the highway a lot. So yeah, you're gonna need a windshield too. So that's gonna do it for this video, everybody. Thank you very much for watching these. I love coming out here. The nicest staff in the world. So I wanna say a big thank you and a big shout out to everybody at Copart here in Tulsa. They give me the ability to come out here and just look at all of the cars and trucks, and I don't get that at every yard. Some places I'm restricted to, I can't go. They said come out here and have fun and show off everything we've got. So that's what we're doing, and a big thank you to everybody. And a big thank you to you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please like, please share. Seriously, 48% of the views come from people who are not subscribers. So please, please, please subscribe. The button is just like right down there somewhere. Okay, have a great day, everybody. We're back with another video very soon. Bye-bye.